Sure you do. I show you. See, they had this little rope trick.
Yeah?
Yeah, they were kind of happy with it.
What they did was, see, is they got you down on your knees in front of them, see? Like this. Then they tied your arms behind you. See, here, help me out. Give me a hand. Just help me out. Tie that arm to this one real close.
Okay. Like this?
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Tighter, man. They did it tighter.
All right. You, sure you want to go through this again, huh, Charlie?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. Go ahead, now you take on the loose ends.
All right.
And you pull it up in the air like you're going to take me clear on up to the ceiling.
All right. Like this?
Right, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now higher, man, higher till you hear the bones starting to crack. That's it. Higher! Come on, higher! Higher!
All right, Charlie. That's enough.
They used to do that to us twice a day.
I don't know how you took it.
You learn to love the rope. That's how you beat them. That's how you beat people who torture you. You learn to love them. And they don't know you're beating them. Listen, Cliff. I hope you don't mind me saying this to you. But I'd really appreciate it if you didn't call my kid a runt.
I won't. Sorry, Charlie.
Here's looking at you.